So do you also wish to generate the course content automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to automate course content creation using AI agent. So as a professor, my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new detail over here in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the course content. And after generating the content, automatically that should be saved as a new document in my Google Docs. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Sheets with OpenAI and Google Docs using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your course content creation using AI agents. It's a great way to save time, stay organized and build high quality courses faster. Alright, so as you all know that as an online course creator, I often spend a lot of time writing lesson plans, creating content and organizing course modules. So this can become overwhelming, especially when I'm working on multiple courses or updating existing ones. So by using an AI agent to automate course content creation, I can speed up the entire process. I just need to provide the topic or outline and the AI helps me generate lesson summaries, quizzes, descriptions and more. This not only saves me hours of work, but also helps me launch high quality courses faster and stay ahead in the competitive online learning space. Alright, so here on my screen you can see my Google Sheet that I've already created with the name course content, and here you can see the fields that I've added over here. So now here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to add a new detail over here in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the course content, and after generating the course content, automatically that should be saved as a new document in my Google Docs account like this. Alright, so now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Google Sheets with my OpenAI account and Google Docs using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply adding a new detail over here in my Google Sheets. So let me add the details. Alright, so here you can see I have successfully added a new detail over here where I've added the course topic, module name and lesson objective. Alright, so now after adding all these details, let's go and check our Google Docs. Here I'm going to move back. And here you can see we have successfully created a new document over here with the name Personal Finance. And here you can see the entire course content generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Google Sheets with OpenAI and Google Docs using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as automate course content creation using AI agent. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets, as I am adding new details in my Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, so that whenever we're going to add a new detail in our Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting the trigger event, you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions given below. Firstly, I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Sheets account. So this is the Google Sheet that I've created over here with the name course content, and these are the fields. And now I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So here, before moving forward with building the connection, firstly I'm going to add a new detail in my Google Sheet. So let me add the details. Alright, so here I've successfully added a new detail over here, and now I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So here, to build this connection, you need to install an add-on on your Google Sheets account first, and for that you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select add-ons. Now here under this add-ons you need to select get add-ons. And then here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you have to search for an add-on, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you need to install this particular add-on on your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So here you can see it is already installed in my Google Sheets account. So I'm going to move back. And once you're going to install this add-on, you need to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so now after installing the add-on, you need to refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. Okay, so now after refreshing the Google Sheets, you need to click on this extensions, and from here you will be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So from here you need to select initial setup. Now here under this initial setup, you can see it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And here for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here you can see my last data column in my Google Sheets is column C. So here I'm going to add my trigger column as column C, and then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheets, and we have successfully connected our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now after building the connection, I'm going to test this connection by clicking on the send test button given over here. And it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent the first row data of our Google Sheets to our Pabbly's workflow. That means to our webhook URL. So let's go and check it. But here, before moving back to Pabbly's workflow, you need to perform another very important step to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So for that, you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And now from here you need to turn on the send on event, so that whenever you're going to add a new detail in our Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Alright, so now let's go and check it, and here you can see we have received the tick in front of this send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the details of our Google Sheet. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received all the details from our Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, I want OpenAI to generate the course content. So for that, I'm going to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI should generate the course content. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in the API keys, you can see some existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key, and here I'm going to give the name as course content. And then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the AI model. So if I click on this drop down menu, you can see all the AI models available over here. So I'm going to select the AI model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select the model as per your need. And then here is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper course content for me. Alright, so let me add the prompt over here. Alright, so here I've successfully added a relevant prompt where I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as course topic, module name and the lesson objective. Alright, so now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever you're going to receive new response through Google Sheets, then automatically its previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the course topic, I'm going to map the course topic. Here I'm going to map the module name. Here for the lesson objective, I'm going to map the lesson objective. Alright, so now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a message content generated, where we have received the entire course content generated by OpenAI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating the content, automatically I want to save this content in my Google Docs as a new document. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Google Docs. So Google Docs is an online word processor that lets you create, edit and share documents from any device with internet access. So in my Google Docs action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a blank document. So that firstly it should create a blank document in my Google Docs account. Alright, so now here to connect my Google Docs with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Docs account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me for the document name. So in this document name field, I'm going to enter the name that I want to give to this document. So here I want the course topic should be similar to the document name. So I'm going to map the course topic over here and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see I've received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a blank document in our Google Docs. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully created a blank document over here with the name graphic design. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after creating a blank document, we are going to add another action step over here. And here in this action step, again I'm going to select my action application as Google Docs. And this time I'm going to select my action event as append a paragraph to a document. So that after creating a blank document, automatically the course content generated by OpenAI should be added over here in this document. Alright, so again to build this connection, I'm going to click on this connect. And this time to build this connection, I'm going to click on the select existing connection because I've already connected my Google Docs with Pabbly Connect in my previous action step. Alright, so here I've selected the existing connection and then I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to choose or map the document from here. So here instead of selecting the document from this drop down menu, I'm going to map this document ID. So for that I'm going to turn on this map button and then I'm going to remove this previously existing document ID and then I'm going to refresh the fields. And now here I'm going to map this document ID from the response that we have received in our previous Google Docs action step. So this is the document ID, and now here after entering the document ID, it is asking me to enter the inserted text. So I'm going to map the course content generated by OpenAI. So this is the course content, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the content in our Google Docs. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully added a course content over here that is generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Google Sheets and our action as OpenAI and Google Docs twice. So that when you're going to add a new detail in our Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI is going to generate the course content. And after generating the course content, automatically it is going to create a blank document in our Google Docs account first, and then it is going to add the course content generated by OpenAI in that document. Alright, so these were the steps to how to automate course content creation using AI agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now, if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.